So this is my own speculation, my own guesses. Who knows what some of these companies decide to end up doing anyways. But that's my guess that they're going to do something image related because we really haven't seen a lot of imaging tools from Google. I believe that they are live streaming it on their X account, so you are going to need to be on X in order to see that. But we'll see what happens. I wish I knew more to make better predictions. I felt pretty good about OpenAI's predictions yesterday because I tend to keep up with them just a little bit more. But if you have any predictions or you heard anything, feel free to put them in the chat. You can put them in the chat on X or on YouTube, and I will put them up on the screen so that everybody can see it. But yeah, looking forward to seeing what comes of that, and looking forward to getting to know more of you and hearing from more of you out there. We have more than 20 people watching, so don't be shy. Please feel free to drop a question or drop a comment. Let me know where you're visiting from, where you are in your data science journey. If you're a student, that's okay. I have a guide, a free video guide that I have for students that I put up on my YouTube and on my X to kind of help with the common questions that I get from students. So feel free to look that up. And if there's something that's not clear or you have a specialized question, I'm here to help. I know that being a student in data science isn't always easy.